In BC's coastal waters, where sea meets the shore, two sisters sail with a story to explore. The spirit of British Columbia and the spirit of Vancouver Island too, connecting communities with a journey anew. Spirit class ferries, sailing through the tide, with a heart of adventure and a spirit inside. Through the Gulf Island's beauty, they chart their course with ease. Spirit class ferries, a BC legacy to please. From Tsawwassen to Swartz Bay, they sail with pride, through rain and wind and sunshine, side by side. Their crews brave and skilled, with a job to do, serving the coast with a spirit true. Spirit class ferries, sailing through the tide, with a heart of adventure and a spirit inside. Through the Gulf Island's beauty, they chart their course with ease. Spirit class ferries, a BC legacy to please. For technology advanced and comforts galore, the Spirit class ferry set a new standard for more. Efficient and environmentally friendly too, a symbol of innovation for me and for you. As the sun sets over the water's edge, the Spirit class